Let's be honest for a second. The electric SUV market right now is like a crowded gym on Monday morning. Everyone is trying to look strong, fast, and futuristic, but very few actually deliver the balance between performance, comfort, and real-life usability. Now, imagine a brand that has always been obsessed with safety, calm design, and practicality suddenly dropping a brand new electric SUV that claims big power, long range, and cutting-edge tech. That's where the Volvo EX60 enters the chat. But here's the real question for you. Is this actually the smart electric SUV people should buy, or just another expensive tech toy? Today on Avengers Autos, we're breaking it down honestly. No marketing drama, no fake hype. First impressions? The design is very Volvo, but smarter. The EX60 basically replaces the role of the famous Volvo XC60, but now fully electric. Volvo didn't try to make it crazy aggressive like some EVs. Instead, it looks clean, Scandinavian, and mature. From the front, you get the modern Thor's Hammer LED headlights, a closed EV grille, and a smooth aerodynamic bumper. The side profile is long and elegant, with flush door handles and a long wheelbase that improves cabin space. Around the back, the split LED taillights climb up the rear glass, a signature Volvo look but updated for the electric era. Nothing here screams for attention, but that's kind of the point. This is the SUV for people who want premium without shouting about it. Step inside and things get very interesting. The interior feels like a Scandinavian living room on wheels. Minimal buttons, clean lines, soft materials, and a calm cabin vibe. In the center, you get a large 15-inch curved OLED screen with Google integration and Volvo's latest AI system. That means voice commands, navigation, apps, all smooth and fast. Optional features include a massive 28-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system with Dolby Atmos. Yes, 28 speakers. That's basically a concert hall inside your SUV. And because this is an EV platform, the floor is flat, which means more legroom and better comfort for rear passengers. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the EX60 becomes surprising. Volvo offers 3 versions. The base P6 model produces around 369 horsepower with rear-wheel drive. That already gets you 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 5.9 seconds. Then there's the P10 AWD version with about 503 horsepower. And the top P12 version? A crazy 670 horsepower electric SUV that can hit 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.9 seconds. So yeah, the calm Swedish SUV can suddenly behave like a sports car. But performance numbers are only half the story. What matters is how it actually drives. In the city, electric torque makes the EX60 feel effortless. Press the accelerator and it moves instantly. No gear shifts, no noise, just smooth power. Parking and maneuvering should be easy thanks to the high driving position and camera systems. On the highway, this is where Volvo's DNA really shines. Stable, quiet, and relaxed. The suspension is tuned more for comfort than aggressive sportiness, which honestly makes sense for a family SUV. Think less race car, more luxury travel machine. Now the technology. The EX60 runs on Volvo's brand new SPA3 platform and uses powerful processors to manage driver assistance and software updates. That means the car will keep improving with over-the-air updates. Charging is also impressive. The SUV supports ultra-fast charging up to about 370 kilowatts, meaning you can add roughly 170 miles of range in about 10 minutes under ideal conditions. Range depends on the version, but Volvo claims up to around 400 miles for the long-range models. And yes, it will support Tesla-style NACS charging in North America, opening access to thousands of fast chargers. Now let's talk about safety, because if it's a Volvo, expectations are high. The EX60 introduces a new multi-adaptive safety belt system designed to adjust protection based on the passenger and crash conditions. Combined with cameras, radar sensors, and advanced driver assistance systems, this will likely remain one of the safest SUVs on the road. Now the honest part, pros and cons. Pros? Beautiful Scandinavian design, huge electric power options, long driving range, super fast charging, extremely premium interior. Cons? It will not be cheap. Some people may find the design too simple, and early EV tech sometimes comes with software glitches. So who is this SUV actually for? If you want an electric SUV that feels calm, luxurious, and intelligent rather than flashy, the EX60 makes a lot of sense. It competes directly with upcoming electric SUVs like the BMW iX3 and Mercedes Benz GLC EQ, but Volvo is clearly focusing more on comfort and safety than aggressive styling. Now the important question, launch and pricing. The EX60 was officially revealed in January 2026, and it is expected to go on sale in the United States in late spring 2026, with prices starting around $60,000. Deliveries are expected to begin later in 2026 once production ramps up. So, should you book it? If you want a powerful electric SUV that doesn't look like a spaceship and actually focuses on real everyday comfort, the EX60 looks like a very smart buy. But what do you think? Would you pick the Volvo EX60 over a BMW or Mercedes electric SUV? Or would you wait for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you enjoy real, honest car reviews without the marketing nonsense, make sure you subscribe to Avengers Autos, because here, we don't just review cars. We tell you the truth about the cars you're actually thinking about buying. I'll see you in the next one.